So before start writing our code, let's configure our editor so that we can write Python code more efficiently. So what I'll do, I'll create a new folder in my desktop. Let's create new folder, Python course. I'll give that name and hit enter. So here our blank folder is ready. And now what we can do, basically we can just drag and drop to this icon, the VS Code icon. We can do it here as well as here. I'll use this one. Okay, so yes, I trust everything, and now just clear it up. Now our VS Code will open into that particular folder. Let's zoom in a bit. So this is our VS Code. Now you might be thinking, okay, this looks a little bit different than mine. I'll go to that next. So here we have the Python course name. So that is basically indicates that our folder is opened inside of VS Code. Now we need to install some extensions. Let's click on this button, which like tells us like extensions. Click on it, and then we have the extensions. If you just installed VS Code, then your extensions tab will be empty, but I have installed some of the extensions which I need in daily basis. So let's go to the bottom and see. Okay, here are all of the extensions here. Now we can search for Python, and yes, this is the one from Microsoft. And here I do not have any install button because I have installed the extension before. So you will get the install button here. You just want to click on that and the Python extension will be installed in VS Code. So I have done that before. Now there are some other things which you can download. One thing is called Pylance. I believe that when you download this extension, it is automatically downloaded, but if not, then install this Pylance. This is a fast feature-rich language support for Python in VS Code. You want to use that. One other thing, if you are wondering about, okay, why my editor is not looking as the editor is being showed in the video. So just search for one dark pro, this one. So I have installed this color theme. It is not mandatory. I like that. That is why I installed that. So once it is installed, you can just go to the settings and then themes, color theme, and then you can select from many of this. I believe this is the by default, this will be the theme, but I like the one dark. So color theme, so one dark pro, darker or dark one dark pro is fine. So this is our theme. Okay, let's do it to the darker one. Okay, this looks good. Now one other thing is how we are able to run our code. So for that we have a plugin which is called Code Runner. This plugin which I have installed, what it basically does, it gives you this play button here. So when you click on that, your code will run automatically, which is really nice and convenient for our purpose. Okay, so these are all of the extensions which I believe we need. Now, one other thing is that just go to the settings. You can hit Control plus comma to do that, or what you can do, you can go to here and then hit settings and select or search for run in terminal. Yes. So here by default, code runner run in terminal, this option will not be checked. We want to check that. So just click on the check mark and it is done. Awesome. So we have set up our IDE, or basically our code editor for Python, and we will start writing code from the next video.